Today we're making my favorite food, soup, with my dad. It's simple yet comforting and reminds me of childhood. Next, I made Korean-style braised ribs for the first time, inspired by my favorite restaurant in K-Town, Sun Nong Dan. I didn't have all the right ingredients, but it still came out delicious. After you soak the ribs in cold water, rinse and boil in water again, and rinse again until it's really clean. Just like that. Nice. Then we make the sauce. I used a whole shallot because I didn't have any onions, and then I added the rest of my ingredients here, which I will also list below. After that, you put it all into a blender with the pear or apple, which I didn't have, so I used an orange. Yep, didn't come out too bad, but the color is a little weird. Just give it a few minutes, it'll be okay. You let it simmer for about 30 minutes or until it's tender. Mix it around a little bit. Then you add your veggies. I had potatoes and carrots and some more shallots. And you want to let that cook off a little bit until it's tender as well. And look, it didn't come out too bad. It was actually pretty tasty. That's the first dish. Next.
Ba làm canh sườn heo giống sao?
Cái đó sườn heo rồi nấu trụng sườn nấu sôi trụng sơ là cái rồi bắt xong nước lên bỏ sườn vô bỏ vô rồi bỏ cà rốt bỏ cà bí đao rồi rồi nêm thôi.
Và ba nấu cái thịt vô nước bao lâu xong ba mới để cà rốt đồ?
Nấu trụng xong rồi bắt xong nước sôi bỏ nó vô.
Xong ba nấu thịt bao lâu?
Nấu là lâu nấu phần nào mình thấy nó mềm rồi mình bỏ nó dừng mềm mình bỏ cà rốt rồi vô. Ngâm đường với bột nêm á, bỏ hành lá hay bỏ ngò vô bỏ củ hành bỏ vô nêm. Vậy thôi.
Ok, ăn cơm ngon nha.
Rồi.
Bye, love you.
Rồi.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos coming every week. Thanks!